I love this slime. It's called lemon slime. And it smells, it's scented. And it smells like fruit, like lemonade. I love this smell. It's from a lotion, but I can't find it no more. So yeah, but it smells wonderful. I love this slime. I had this for a year. In one of my other videos, I posted fixing the slime because it was melted. That's how I scented it. And that's it. Yup. Please like, subscribe, and give it a notification bell.